Hi there, Ellen Hansen here with MarineMax Miami. I'm here to present to you the new trade. It's a 2017 Monterey 378 SE. This boat is a great family, fun, great running boat with a lot of wonderful options. Let me take you through a little walkthrough. Going to start up here at the bow. We have wonderful bow seating, lots of space, cup holders, speakers, 12 volts, plug in your cell phone. It has a windlass anchor in the hatch. Lots of cushions. You can remove this one and make this into a nice seating area. And as we move forward, we have a full cabin. The cabin has a pull-out sofa that turns into a bed. So that sofa right there pulls down and turns into a berth. There's your anchor. And then underneath, there's a very large aft cabin. The aft cabin right now has all the canvas in it, which has full isinglass and a full boat cover. But it's a very large aft cabin. Lots of windows. It's air conditioned. There's a generator. There's your control panel and a very large Jensen television. I'm going to bring you back up out of the cabin and down into the head area, which is on the starboard side of the boat. The head is very large. A tall person can stand in here. It's got a shower with a hot water and cold water. It's got windows all the way around. A nice large sink. And some cabinetry down here. A little place to put your goods. Storage area. A mirror. And back up into the cockpit space. I'll just shut these doors. So as you can see, you've got plenty of room. You can go overnighting and stay in the cabin overnight, or close it off and have it great for a nice big day boat. It has a full hardtop, spotlight, mega speakers. The speakers on the hardtop are for aft facing, so when you're out in the water swimming around, you can hear your music. It's got a little footrest on the passenger side and on the captain's side with a big full seat for two. At the helm, we have a joystick control. These are Mercury 8.2 liter engines, 420 horsepower each, inboard outboard motors. Raymarine autopilot vessel view that will give you all your diagnostics on your engines. It also has Skyhook. Skyhook will allow you to put the boat in a linked into satellite positioning. So you can actually hover and wait for a bridge, or hover and get your lines. On the port side of the boat, you've got a nice big refrigerator, a sink, stainless steel sink. Lots of storage throughout the whole boat too. The aft seating is really nice. It wraps around into an L-shaped seat with a ton of storage throughout. Lots of storage to put all your toys, life vests, whatever it is that your family would like to store away. And then it has this seat that actually folds out of the way, and it does tuck under. There's your grill that pulls out from this space. And then you also have a nice waist area that pulls out. This boat has been primarily in fresh water. It was just brought down here to Florida this week. And great running boat. It's a lot of fun. Love to get your family out on it. It's got a nice big sun pad back here. This seat moves forward and aft. So you can make it one big lounger